Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. We're in a Subaru Crosstrek and we're doing a light output video of a 30-inch slim light bar in white. These are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And this is a 30-inch light bar. It makes the high beams look non-existent. It lights up the trees. It lights up the fence in the back. Notice how everything illuminates in terms of depth and volume. You definitely get plenty of distance with this kit, as well as peripheral vision. So take a look. Nothing's seen in the background, and the 30-inch light bar just lights up the whole surrounding. Makes a huge difference. Thank you guys for watching, and I know you're gonna love the product.